Hello Stampers, this is Super Awesome Stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, USA. These are my designs for the June 14th, 2025 Craft Along with the One of Kind group. So it features the diagonal slice. We cut the designer series paper in half and put it on the outside and inside. You will get a selection of pieces that you will need to fussy cut. So this comes from the Celebratory Sips designer series paper. So I cut this apart and give you a selection in your kit. And I also give you lengths of ribbon and then coordinating embellishments as well. You will need to add your adhesives to the kit, your ink pads, and I use the Cheers and Sips stamp set to complete the kit. Add your fussy cutting scissors as well. And if you do purchase the Cheers and Sips stamp set, make sure you order it as a bundle with the Cheers and Sips dies, because if you order with the bundle item number, you get 10% off the total price. Your purchase also includes an emailed PDF tutorial in this design featuring all the measurements, plus 21 samples in this design with supply lists. Alright, so go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com, click on Kits in the Mail or the One of a Kind icon for all the details for my June 14th Craft Along kits. Stamp with you soon. Bye.